Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make Dosa Without Urad Dal. Take 1.5 cups of raw rice and 1.5 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in a bowl. Rinse it 2 to 3 times and drain the water. Now pour 1 cup of water and soak it for 4 hours. Grind it in a blender and prepare the batter. Add a little salt and mix well. Keep it aside for 8 hours for fermentation. Now add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add a little more water, mix well and bring it into dosa batter consistency. Heat a dosa tawa over medium flame. Grease it with sesame oil. Take 1 ladle of batter and spread it. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now cover it with the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. Flip it over and cook the other side for 1 minute. It is ready to serve. Enjoy this with onion chutney or coconut chutney. Please try it out and post your feedback.